In today's discussion, we will cover the steps necessary to start a homestead. In our previous chat, we talked about what homesteading is and what a modern homestead entails. Essentially, homesteading is all about achieving self-sufficiency, which can be accomplished through activities such as composting, gardening, and animal husbandry. It's crucial to understand what homesteading means to you to achieve your goals successfully as a homesteader. My name is Patrick, and I am excited to walk you through the necessary steps to start your homestead. Step 1 is to decide if homesteading is the right lifestyle for you. Homesteading requires a significant investment of time and energy, which can be demanding on your physical and mental well-being. You need to do ample research to understand what you're getting into before deciding to become a homesteader. Suppose you plan to homestead with someone else, such as a partner or a family member. In that case, it is essential that they also understand the demanding nature of homesteading and are willing to put in the effort. Step 2 is to determine your goals. As with any significant life change, it's essential to have clear goals in mind before starting a homestead. This will help keep you motivated throughout the process. Whether your goal is to reduce your carbon footprint, become self-sufficient, or grow your food, identifying your goals will help you stay on track. Step 3 is to choose where you want to homestead. This is a critical decision as it is where you will begin your homestead. Depending on your goals, you may choose to live in the city, the countryside, or even off the grid. You will need to consider factors such as access to water, land, schools, and power sources when making this decision. Step 4 is to create a budget. Homesteading can be expensive, so it's essential to create a budget to ensure that you can afford everything you need to start and maintain your homestead. This will include expenses such as land, housing, equipment, and supplies. By creating a budget, you can ensure that you are financially prepared for the demands of homesteading. In summary, the steps to starting a homestead are: deciding if homesteading is right for you, determining your goals, choosing where you want to homestead, and creating a budget. Homesteading can be a rewarding experience, but it requires careful planning and preparation to be successful.